Here's how you can increase your snap score a really fast method, and it's really easy and simple to do, so let's get into it. So the first step is to essentially make a lot of fake accounts. As you can see, I made this Bob Poop account, and it's basically my alt account, but I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. So first what you want to do is click on your profile, click on the settings bar at the top, and then now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then click on log out. And then now you want to click on sign up at the bottom, click on continue, deny. Now you want to make a random first name and last name, but make it something easy to remember. Continue. You can make up a random birthday, doesn't matter. So this is going to be your username. You can change it if you want to make it easier to remember. Click on continue. And then you make up a random password. It literally doesn't even matter. Now for the email, you could literally make up a random email just like that. And then you can skip the phone number part. Now click on continue. Click on skip. So you're going to add your main account. And then once it's added, you simply go to your profile, click on the settings bar, and then now you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on log out. Now what you want to do is actually go back to your main account, click on login. As you can see at the top, there's this friend request. You want to click on that and simply accept the friend request from your other account. So now once you want to build up multiple accounts like that, and as you can see, I made these 2 accounts, Butt Crack Balls and Donald Trump. And you can make up to like 5 accounts, maybe even 10 if you really want to. And now from here, what you want to do is go to camera, and now right over here, there's this plus icon. You want to click on that, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the really bottom, and then click on multi-snap. And then now you basically want to spam 8 photos, which is the maximum amount of photos that you can spam in one single take. Just like that. Click on OK. And then click on next. And you want to send it to those 2 accounts or however many accounts that you made. And then if you want to, you can also send it to a bunch of other random friends that you have added. And then basically click on send. So now you essentially just send it 8 Snapchats to all of those accounts at once, as you can see. So like if you send it to 10 people, that's 80 snaps at once.